We got good morning, folks. Grandpa Greenwald, old man with a pan. Today we're gonna fold up some dough. I took this out of the fridge this morning and divided it up into 32 little 50-gram pieces here. And we're gonna fold it and we're gonna practice. We're doing a practice session on making some dinner rolls for Thanksgiving. So that's what we're doing here. You see, it's going to take me a minute to get a rhythm down on this folding, but we'll just roll it out like that. Roll them out, and then we'll see how many we're going to be able to get into this pan here. All right, these are made out of, we had a rye poolish, and that's left that on the counter for a day or overnight, and then put it in the fridge for another day. And then finally yesterday we mixed up the dough, and we have some all-purpose flour, wheat flour, and also the rye, just a small amount of rye poolish. Let's see if we can get one more down in there. Oh, and then I mixed it yesterday and had it in the fridge overnight. So this bread has been aging for a long time. You know what? I'm going to do it just like that. I'm not going to cram it. Two in the middle, and I'm trying to move them away from, so they're not really touching to start out with. All right, let's just leave it like that. So I'll cover those and we'll let those rise, and we'll see what they look like. We got 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 rolls on the tray. There you go. All right, we got our rolls all rolled up in the pans. We got 3 different pans, some different spacings. We'll let these rise, and we'll jump back in here and get another little clip and show you what they did. Wheat rolls, 50 grams a piece. All righty then, we have the oven preheated, 350 degrees. Our rolls have spoken. I'm going to go ahead and try to save this stuff if I can. Yeah, the rolls have spoken. They've risen. Those are little 50 milligram rolls. There's my pan. This is what I was trying to check out for Thanksgiving. I don't think I can cram any more of those, but 2 or 3 pans will have plenty of rolls. So we'll get these baked here and jump back in and show you what we got. I'm really tickled to death. This was my intention, to make a bunch of 50 milligram rolls, just to see how big they are, how they're going to fit in the pans, how they're going to space and grow together and rise. So we're cooking some sausage to put on our rolls. This is a vintage Lady Beth's omelet pan from around 1976. Got a wooden handle. Well-seasoned pan there. All right. Our rolls are done. This is a perfect pan. This is a absolutely perfect pan of Thanksgiving dinner rolls. Ready to go. Yes. That's another great pan. You can do those, and I believe these will be perfectly fine. I can move those just a hair over. I can get a dozen on these small aluminum pans, and I think between these and those, I'll be perfectly fine. Wow, glad I practiced those. All right, where's my butter? That's what I want to say. Let's get one off of here. Boy, look how soft. Owie, 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 owie. Wow. How pretty that is. Boy, oh boy, you gotta get some butter on that baby. Close it back up in just a minute. Wow, I'll do it. I'll do it. Delicious. Success.